Good morning, everyone. Knowledge about software development and cybersecurity is becoming increasingly important in today's digital society. So today we have the pleasure of inviting Mr. Layan Moyura to our Chatting Expert program to discuss software development and cybersecurity. Thank you for joining us with Mr. Moyura. So, can you briefly introduce yourself and tell us a bit about your background?
Yeah, my name is Layan Moyura, and I'm currently working as an associate software engineer at Soft Gallery Pvt. I worked there for 6 months and got permanent position. Now I'm working in their web application called Java in full stack development area. I work yes, in front end, back end, and database covering all three bases. Before joining the company, I completed my degree at Faculty of Engineering in last year. Yeah, that's about.
Can you tell me how you should make code and code and develop maintainable and high quality? What practice do you follow?
Yeah, I basically in our company they have some method of coding. Usually they follow. We have some more data database, so we have to make sure the data is sent to the website as quickly as possible. So we have to write the code to implement the task more efficiently, not taking much time. So that's the base practices, and I always try to get help from the seniors. So we are not a company, and we have to follow those seniors' advice. And yeah, that's the main practices I do in software development at my company.
Okay, I would like to know which programming languages and tools you are mostly adapting and why you chosen to specialize in them.
Yeah, basically in our company I use JavaScript, C Sharp, and SQL. Reason I use them because as previously I explained, the front end, the application runs in your browser, and the back end of the database. In front end we use JavaScript, mainly JavaScript. Company use JavaScript. Mostly front end development based on JavaScript, and we have to be aware of the internet of software. And then backend, just more software languages, C Sharp, Python, and C++, those kind of stuff. But we have to choose according to the industry. Industry use, I think most companies regarding the percentages use C Sharp and Python. Development of AI, those two languages are mainly used in backend, and databases always use SQL languages as well. So basically, regarding of the industry usage, I chose those languages, and I use for coding. I use tools like Visual Studio Code and Visual Studio. Those are the main code editors used in industry. Those they provide many features, like we have to, if we encounter some error, we have to roll back to certain portion which is running properly previously. And also the recent development of AI, the code is auto generated. If we write code at halfway, and next code is auto generated by the compiler. Compiler tools also are using database development, and there's a tool called Git, and that's used to think that I develop some part of the software, and another person, another engineer develop another part of the software, and I don't have this developed parts, and we don't have my, and the tools used to merge them to get the changes, because he is working at same office at same time because so I can't do this work and apply my code because of Git software. We can work the code easily and complete the project very in quick time. And those are the tools I usually use in my day-to-day life. Yeah.
Okay. As our next question, I like to ask, what are the project management approach you are following when you are using software?
Yeah, basically we follow agile project approach. So agile when first when we creating software, all the ideas coming from the our business analyst side. We use Azure DevOps project management tool as the main project management tool in our company. So they put like codes in the interface. This functionality, we need this functionality, and so we have to analyze those functionality and develop the software accordingly. So we put tasks like develop the front end, develop the back end, update the database, and we have to put the timelines of that, and we complete it right or complete those tasks and within deadlines, and we submit the code to the code basing company, and then we deploy it to the QA server into the production. So then after we inform quality assurance team, QA team, to test the features. As we all know, we have done some mistakes as humans. There are some very small bugs, so like very big mistakes. So if there's no mistake, they will approve our features, and give the approval to deploy it to the production live release, live website, access to the public. So if there are some bugs, they report to us and assign us to resolve that bugs, and we have to yet again check the bugs and develop the code, develop the website and submit to the QA server, and they also try us again, and they approve those bugs if there's some bug. Again there's bug, they also approve this kind of iterative process. And finally, within given deadline, we try to fix all those bugs and deploy to the production server. That iterative life cycle, iterative project approach is called agile, and it is used in many software companies like any software companies like Cisco, MIT, MIT, and those kind of stuff. In our company as well, agile is also used to continue develop the best product to the public.
I would like to know about security practices. How do you incorporate security into your software development process?
Yeah, basically we do recalculation. You all know we do have to make an account to register your website. Usually you do enter the email and their password. So those passwords are very important thing in web development. So we only store password after encrypting. We store data at the database, but we don't know the password because those are encrypted in complex algorithm. Then hackers got the password and emails, but they can't figure out. They have to make sure they have to do more processes to get the exact password out of database. And also we make sure that data coming from the website, and when you enter some details, your names and ID card, those numbers are going encrypted to the backend and stored there. Because at the middle, some hackers can intercept the data flow and get the data, but if we encrypt the data, they couldn't do anything from that. But those are the main practices focusing on your data security following software development.
What is some essential network security best practices that organization should implement to protect their infrastructure?
Yeah, basically all the companies have their database, their data centers. As you know, in the city, they have very big data centers at their main offices, and they follow kind of layerized networks architectures. Each layer is protected from using firewalls. Firewalls are the main security concept in network infrastructure in those big companies. So before they implement firewalls at each layer, so hackers should break at firewalls at each layer to get into the whole system. So mainly firewalls are the main thing that big companies implement to secure their infrastructure in industry.
Can you explain how machine learning and artificial intelligence are affecting software development process and cybersecurity?
Yeah, as you all know, you use GPT for your daily work, and after the GPT introduction, I think anyone can develop a software if they have small knowledge about software development. Anyone can develop a software from scratch. You enter the prompt in ChatGPT how to develop a software using these technologies, and it will give the code very fast and easy. You have to only follow the instructions. So in our cases, we use sometimes in our systems, GPT doesn't know how the system was implemented. So solution that we get from GPT might not be correct. So we have to basically in our day-to-day practices we sometimes we couldn't get the answers from GPT, but we have to follow the documentations and follow the previous persons who overcome these errors and that's those kind of stuff. But now the GPT models have been increasing, as you all know, day to day. We see videos on YouTube. Now the first they introduced GPT-3 model in 2022. Now last year they introduced GPT-4. Now they are going to introduce GPT-5. I think it will be more capable of doing. I think even the as junior software engineers, our jobs are on the threat because of the GPT. And also at cyber security, machine learning, using machine learning, the hackers' behaviors can be easily detected. If say someone trying to hack your Facebook account, but they might log into Facebook account using phone number and password. They will know about your phone number, but not the password. They will enter password fine and twice, then those behaviors can be easily detected using machine learning and those kind of stuff. So, cybersecurity is greatly benefited from machine learning. That's the idea on the machine learning influencing cybersecurity and software development.
Okay, Mr. Moyura, thank you for sharing your ideas and knowledge with us today. It's been a pleasure to have you on our program and we appreciate the useful information you shared. With that, we will conclude the program. Have a nice day.